All right, we are going to be correcting your last assignment here where you had 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this will be me going through step by step on how to correct this. All right, my plan here for this first one is I'm going to multiply this top equation by a -2, and I'm going to keep this one the same. So when I multiply by -2, I get minus 2x minus 8y and a -4. And I keep the bottom one exactly the same. I'm not going to change anything about it. All right, so now when we add these two up, the whole point of me doing that was for those x's to cancel out. And -8y plus 5y is -3y, and -4 plus 7 is 3. So now when I divide by -3, y is -1. All right, now I'm going to go put that in. I'm going to just plug it into this first equation. So x plus 4 times -1 equals 2. So x minus 4 equals 2. Add 4, so x equals 6. So the solution here is going to be 6, -1. Alrighty, moving on to number 3. Let's see, my game plan here is I'm going to multiply this one by a -3, and I'm going to keep this one the same. So I get -9x minus 3y equals a positive 3. Now I'm going to keep the bottom one the same, so 2x plus 3y equals 18. And now when I add these together, I get -7x equals 21. And when I divide by -7, I get x is -3. All right, x is -3, so I'm going to go plug that into the top equation. So 3 times -3 plus y equals -1. So I have -9 plus y equals -1. And when I add 9 to each side, I get y is 8. So my final solution here is the ordered pair, -3, 8. All right, number 4. Let's see here. I can multiply the top one by a -3, or I can multiply the bottom one by a 2. So what I think I'm going to do is keep this one the same, and I'm going to multiply this one by 2. So this is 2x plus 8y equals 21, so I'm keeping that one the same, and I'm going to multiply everything on the bottom by 2. All right, 2x plus 12x is 14x. My y's are going to cancel out, and what's that, 49? So now, what is 49 divided by 14? I got x is, and I got a decimal, 3.5. All right, so when I multiply this out, I get 2 times 3.5 plus 8y equals 21. So I 7 plus 8y equals 21. I'm going to subtract 7 from both sides. So 21 minus 7 is going to give me 8y equals 14. Now let's divide. And so y is, and 14 divided by 8 is 1.75. So I have 3.5, 1.75. All right, moving on. Number 5. All right, so I have a couple different things I can do here. I am going to keep this top one the same, and I'm going to multiply this one by 2. So 2x plus y equals 3, and I get -2x plus 6y is a -24. So my x's are going to cancel out, and I get 7y equals a negative 21. And I divide both sides by 7. So y is negative 3. So I'm going to plug it into that first one. So I have 2x minus 3 equals 3. Add 3. So 2x equals 6. So x is 3. So I get the ordered pair 3, negative 3. All right, what am I going to do on this next one? Well, I'm going to choose to get rid of x's. So I'm going to keep this top one the same. So I get 6x plus 5y equals 19. And the second one here, I am going to multiply by a negative 3. So I get minus 6x minus 9y and minus 15. All right, the x's are going to cancel out. So we get negative 4y equals 4. And we're going to divide both sides by negative 4. So y is negative 1. All right, let's go plug that back in. So now we have 2x minus 3 equals 5. Add 3. So I have 2x equals 8. Divide both sides by 2. So x is 4. So I get the ordered pair 4, negative 1. All right, on this last one, I'm going to multiply this one by a 2. So now we're going to get 4x plus 10y equals 32. And then we're going to leave this one the same. You can tell kids are coming in here and I didn't quite get this done. So now we have 13y equals, what's that, 52? So now when we take 52 and divide by 13, we get y is 4. So 2x plus 5 times 4 equals 16. So 2x plus 20 equals 16. Subtract 20 from both sides. So 2x equals negative 4. Divide both sides by 2. And x is negative 2. So my final answer here is negative 2, 4. All right, hope this helped with all of your questions. Have a good day.